Easy Read Nature Stories. Lilypad Walker. Here is a bird of many colors. Blue, purple, yellow, and red. We call this bird a purple gallinule. It has bright yellow legs. Its feet have long toes, so it can walk on lily pads. Sometimes it's too heavy, so it sinks into the water. Then it swims. It looks under the leaf for something to eat. Here's a caterpillar for breakfast. Yum! To see and hear a story about otters, click here. Click here if you want to subscribe and get a notice when new videos are added.